What's something glorified in the Philippines but shouldn't be? I hope that with Gen X sort of poking at the idea of tama na Filipinos being resilient, millennials being millennial snowflakes, saying na tama na ang pagiging resilient, and then with the Gen Z coming in, saying na, you know what, buhay ko to, wala akong pakialam sa inyo. I hope na tuluyan na nating maisantabi yung Filipinos are resilient, because I guess at the root of it, Filipinos being resilient is a good thing, right? Because we manage to get through the worst of situations, but sometimes we're taking advantage of it. Toxic positivity should also not be glorified. I super agree with that. Before, Filipinos being resilient was a generally positive thing. Naabuso na siya to the point na kahit sobrang na nung buhay natin, and talagang kahit anong mangyari, okay lang naman yan. Kahit barya na lang ibalik natin sa Pilipino. Kahit onti lang, ngingiti pa rin naman yan eh, di ba? I think naging toxic positivity na.